Hey foodie friends, we are back in the kitchen today and we are making something for dinner, and this will give you some ideas for your own home too. We have some blackened catfish with some smothered potatoes and some Brussels sprouts. This is going to be a quick, easy dinner. To make it, you're going to start out with these seasonings. I have some Italian seasoning, some Old Bay. I also will be using some lemon pepper, and I will be adding some paprika. This is going to be sprinkled on the catfish, and you're going to be searing this catfish for about 7 to 8 minutes on like a medium low, and you're going to do that on each side. These catfish fillets are pretty thick and they're large, so you do want to simmer them for again about 8 minutes on each side, and I'm using some olive oil to cook that. Next, I got my Brussels sprouts. I have the Slap Your Mama seasoning, as well as some onion powder, some garlic powder, and I'm using some black pepper. And with these Brussels sprouts, you want to simmer them on a medium-low heat for at least 18 minutes. And then once they're done, you can just top them off with some crushed red pepper flakes or even some garlic butter. Guys, before you keep watching, check out my brand new Etsy shop. If you love Chicago-inspired apparel, foodie designs, and unique graphic tees, there's something waiting for you. Visit plussizeinchicago.etsy.com to shop exclusive designs and support this channel. Thank you for being here, and now let's get back to the video. Alright guys, so we are at the last part of this meal and we are making the smothered potatoes. So I have some minced garlic here, as well as some onions and some bell peppers and some butter and olive oil. So this is simmering a little bit, and then we're just going to add in the golden potatoes or the yellow potatoes. And I'm adding these seasonings, some black pepper, as well as some garlic powder, of course some salt, and some onion powder. I'm going to cook these on medium heat with the top on there, and after 15 minutes I'm going to add some garlic butter, and then I'm topping this off with some parsley as well as some crushed red pepper flakes. Okay friends, as I said earlier, this is just a quick meal that you can make in your kitchen just to give you some dinner ideas. If you have a go-to simple meal that you make in your kitchen at home, let me know what those are in the comments, and I'll see you guys next time. So friends, I hope you like what I cooked in the kitchen today. If you are a follower of any of my accounts, thank you so much for coming back. If you're watching this on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, shout out to everyone who subscribed to my channel or you're following me on those social media platforms. If you are new here, my name is Angela and this is my account Plus Size in Chicago, where I make a lot of easy to cook comfort food meals. You'll also see me reviewing different restaurants in the greater Chicagoland area, or maybe showing you some places I ate while on vacation. Be sure to subscribe or follow me. Also leave a comment and share this video with your friends and family. I'll see you guys next time.